Glorious what we have done together. Such a lovely set of lovers. Secondly, you receive between now some backstage past and big What about thing? Is everything I told you? Why must you come to me and deal with my destiny? I don't need to protect my friends there. Let's just throw everyone else. If you want that ammo, you're gonna have to go through me. No business ahead. Science hurts. Use the cool to live. I don't like you, but you're not giving me much choice. Let's do this.
Bye-bye guys! Kumakagla po yung aking, di ba? Now, gusto guys po kami sa amin na nga. Goodbye!